Hi, welcome back. Now that we have understood that what can go in a resume and what cannot go in a resume, let's go ahead and take a look at a sample resume. And for your information, in the resources section, I have also attached a sample resume which you can download and update for yourself. There's also a link to a website which I'm not affiliated with, but it has a link to a lot of template resumes which you can download and then update for yourself. But do not restrict yourself with these templates, and you can add your own creativity to your resume. So let us take a look at one of the resumes. So I have this one resume in Word format, and one thing I wanted to highlight here is that stick to a Word document or to a PDF document. Do not create resume in a format which cannot be opened by the HR or the technical recruiter on their computer if it needs some other software. So stick to a Word document or to a PDF, which are globally recognized. So let's take a look at this particular resume now. So the name goes at the top, there followed by his contact information, phone number, email, and the LinkedIn profile. Let us take a look at the right side of the section of the resume. He has his address and an alternate contact number. I would urge all of you to put an alternate contact number just in case your primary number is not reachable. Then the skills categorized by the technologies, operating system, tools, programming languages, and references. If you have references, it's fine. If you have references in the organization that you're applying for, please do put it here. Then the social profiles. Here, I would like to highlight the Stack Overflow profile. If you're active contributor on Stack Overflow, you have asked questions, you have answered questions, you have a good reputation there, please put the Stack Overflow link here, or you can as well put it at the top of the resume. It is definitely going to make an impact during the interview face to face. Then you can put in your academic details there, your graduation details, school details, your grades. All this can go under the academic details section. Now the right side of the resume, here's the summary. Now summary is basically, it is optional, I would say. But if you have some ambition or goal, feel free to write it here. But do not write a big paragraph. Try to keep it smaller and crispy. Then any certificates that you might have got that you can put in here. Then followed by your achievements, any awards in your school, graduation course, that can go in there. There are a few examples here of what you can put in there. Feel free to update it as per your own experience. Any paper presentations that you might have done. Again, one thing to note here is if you're putting all these paper presentations and certifications here, expect questions on this for sure. 100% there will be questions on what was the paper about, and can you give me a brief, can you draw an architecture diagram about it. You will have these questions here. So put those things on the resume that you can take up questions for. That is what we discussed in the last lecture as well. Then the professional details. So if you have done internship, I think that you should put in first year followed by your academic project. So this is how a sample resume can look like. And if you want to save it as Word or as PDF, sorry, my bad, you can just select the file format as PDF, and it can be exported as a PDF format also. Sometimes PDF resume do look good based on the kind of format that it is created. The left side section can have a gray color and the right section can have white color. They really turn out to be good on the screen. So you can play around that also. So this is about a sample resume, and as I said, it's also uploaded in the resources section for you to download. And this is how you can create a resume. I think we have covered the whole lectures around resume, and in the next lectures, we'll move on to the next topic of this particular course. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.